Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 11. Chapter 28. Making plans to hang out with someone. Would you like to hang out sometime? Let's make plans to get together soon. Do you want to grab a drink or coffee sometime? We should do something fun together. How about we catch a movie together? Let's plan a night out on the town. Are you free next weekend? I'd love to hang out with you sometime. Do you have any plans this week? Let's make a date to do something fun. How about we go to a concert together? Would you be interested in going for a hike together? Let's plan a dinner party with friends. We should check out that new restaurant together. How about we go to the beach together? Let's plan a movie night. Would you like to go shopping or browse some stores? We should plan a weekend trip or getaway. How about we go to a sporting event or game together? Let's get together and catch up over dinner. Chapter 29. Inviting someone to a party or event. Would you like to come to a party I'm throwing next weekend? I'm having a party at my place on Friday. Would you be interested in coming? Hey, I'm going to an event next week and I was wondering if you'd like to come with me? I'd love for you to come to my birthday celebration next month. There's a concert next weekend. Want to join me? My friends and I are going out to dinner on Saturday. Do you want to join us? I'm hosting a game night at my place this Saturday. Would you like to come? I'm attending a fundraiser next week, and I was hoping you could join me. There's a festival happening downtown. Do you want to come with me? I'm going to a movie screening on Friday. Would you like to come? I'm throwing a housewarming party next weekend, and I'd love for you to come. There's a comedy show next Saturday. Want to grab some tickets and go together? I'm planning a picnic in the park this Sunday. Do you want to come along? I'm attending a wedding reception next month, and I'd love for you to join me. My band is playing at a local bar next weekend. Would you like to come see us perform? I'm planning a day trip to the beach. Would you like to come with me? There's a rooftop party happening next week. Do you want to come with me? I'm attending a networking event next week. Want to come with me and meet some new people? I'm having a potluck dinner at my place this Friday. Would you like to bring a dish and join us? There's a sports game happening next Saturday. Do you want to watch it together at a sports bar?